Hey, how you doing? Scott Jelinek here. I've done over 800 property deals, and actually I'm standing in one I just closed on today, and I have something very special for you. I am hosting a live workshop on the 8th of July at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I want you to be there. You see, I've been getting questions from social media about how I run my SlowFlip business and how I've been able to accumulate over 170 SlowFlips that bring me in close to $90,000 a month for the last 10 years. And I'm teaching it right now to my exclusive students, but I wanted to share some more of the keys to making SlowFlips work for you. There are 3 keys in total to building a SlowFlip empire, and I'm gonna cover at least 2 of them in this workshop. I'm gonna help you to find the buyers and help you find the sellers. Sellers are the cheap and distressed homes, and you're gonna find various local markets. The buyers are the ones who are going to buy our SlowFlips so that we can be the bank and have truly passive income. Buyers and sellers are like peanut butter and jelly. They go together. We need both of them. And so I am going to do a live training, and I'm going to be sharing things that I've never personally shared before about unlocking the keys to your own freedom. This workshop's going to be about 2 hours long. I'm going to spend about an hour going over content, and then the next hour answering your questions. This is a chance for you to ask me absolutely anything you wanted. I've helped thousands of Americans leave the rat race, and I am still doing deals every single day. Check my socials if you want to keep up with it. I don't do any more one-on-one calls with any non-students, so if you have a deal you'd like me to review or discuss with you, then this would be the best time. I also want you to build your own freedom. So this isn't just about SlowFlips. Keep that in mind. I can answer your questions on wholesaling, lease options, rehabbing, any kind of flipping that you might be doing, sub-twos. Which states are the best? What states are we buying SlowFlips in? Which states are the best for getting distressed properties? This is a #1 top secret source that we use. I'm not going to do this I'm not going to do this again until at least probably late August or September. So if you're interested in setting yourself free, then come on in now and get yourself registered. It's going to be July 8th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I look forward to seeing you there. Have a great day.